imaginary circle or imaginary line whose center is the center of the earth. So point number 2 पे आ रहा हूँ. First is use the same sketch, we will be using it. Point number 2 about which circle? Definition, of please have this definition clearly. UPSC may ask this. What is great circle? Great circle means imaginary circle, latitude, longitude, imaginary lines. This is also imaginary line. And imaginary line or circle or curve whose center is what? Whose center is center of the earth. Very simple. Whose center is the center of the earth. Now have imagination. You are drawing any curved line whose center is center of the earth. Have that imagination. So good example of great circles. Is it equator is great circle? Think. Imagine an equator. The center of the equator is the center of the earth. Yes or no? Yes, absolutely yes. Think of, isn't it? The center of the earth and the center of the equatorial circumference is center same. So that means equator example is what? Equator is an example of what? Great circle. Because center of equator is center of the earth also. Point number 2. Second example. Other latitude apart from equator. Think. In my class, what most important is presence of mind, high level of attention. इसलिए generalized stories कहानियाँ नहीं है अगर. So now I'm just have the second point. Apart from equator, other latitudes, whose other latitude, any other latitude apart from equator is their center is the center of the earth? No, it's not possible because only the center. When you're going away from equator, their center is not meeting the center of the earth. So it is not, other latitudes are not great circle. Now come to the longitudes. Come to what? Longitudes. Longitudes, center, any longitude you've taken, it is a curved line. Their center is the center of the earth. Yes, all longitudes. All longitudes also act as what? Great circle, right. Second example is all the longitudes. 0 degree or 180 degree or whatever it is. All the longitudes can act as great circle. Apart from equator and longitudes, can we draw other great circles as any curved great circle can be drawn. So how many you can draw great circle? Infinite number you can be drawn. Look at the logic. You can draw any number. Okay. Flight में क्या होता है? Let's put it. Now this is the most difficult part before the computers arrived. Navigators के लिए सबसे difficult काम यही था. They have to draw which route? Great circle route. So how to draw the great circle route? So they have to imagine, they have the calculation. They do the construction work. You might have seen the navigators always use shipping captain of the ship or the main pilots or what, they generally use map. Generally use what called map. On that they draw the route, and the route is always appeared curved. Flight कभी देखा आपने flight में long distance flight anyone travel? अगर internet पे देख लीजिएगा Google करके long distance, like if you want to go from India to US, the flight curved path कैसा होगा? Straight होगा, curved होगा? Curved. It never drawn a straight line because it's a what? Which route? Great circle route. बात समझ में आ रहा है?